In the wild, these chicks would have to look out for predators, and the colors of their feathers in adulthood help protect them. A black back and a white front camouflages the penguin perfectly while it's swimming. To a predator in the sky looking down, the penguin looks like it's part of the dark water. To a predator in the ocean looking up, the penguin looks like it's part of the sunlit sky. It's called countershading. And even though there are no sharks at the zoo, these penguin parents still keep a watchful eye. They always know where their kids are and what they're up to.